In today's video, I will walk you through how to use GoCharting Fibonacci. You will learn how to place Fibonacci tools on your chart, read the levels, and adjust them for analysis. Start by opening your chart and switching it to candlestick view. This helps you see highs, lows, opens, and closes more clearly. Choose your time frame and zoom in so the latest impulse move is visible. Next, open the drawing tools from the left toolbar. Click to expand the tool menu and keep it open. Select the Fibonacci tool. Choose Fibonacci retracement for pullbacks or Fibonacci extension for targets. Most analysis starts with retracement. To draw it, if the price is moving up, click the swing low and drag to the swing high. If the price is moving down, click the swing high and drag to the swing low. Release to place the levels. The chart will show 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 100%. Click the tool to open settings. Adjust colors, line thickness, opacity, and labels for clarity. Hide levels you do not need. Move the anchor points as price changes to keep the levels updated. Use these Fibonacci levels to identify possible support, resistance, and reaction zones during your analysis.